Now we're going to explore the order screen. The top portion contains the shop information, and the bottom portion contains the order information. Let's start by taking a closer look at the shop information. The shop ID, located here, displays the ID number that is unique to each shop. The number to the left of the shop field denotes the number of shops the system has located in the delivery area. In this example, the order has 8 shops in the delivery area. The status tells us the shop's current membership status. We always want to attempt to place orders with our active member florist first, whenever possible. The reason we try to place an order with a member florist first is they are most likely to have the codified product that the order requires, as well as it may cost us less to go with a member florist opposed to a non-member florist. An asterisk to the right of the shop field lets us know that the order has already been rejected by at least one shop. The drop-down in the shop field ID will display the order's rejection history, which we can see here. The contact field is used to enter in the name of the person at the shop with whom you've spoken to and/or placed an order with. It is very important that we get the name of the person that we've talked to, so you want to begin every call by identifying yourself and the company that you work with, which is Teleflora. You will then ask the person on the other line, "May I have your name, please?" or "May I ask who I'm speaking with?" Like this. "Hi, this is Cassandra from Teleflora headquarters. I have a do not report order for your shop. May I have your name, please?" Goodwill is the amount of additional money that is sometimes given to a shop to fill an order. We will go over our goodwill policy a little later in the video. The reject reason are codes that are used to identify why an order was not placed with the shop. This field contains a drop-down that lists many rejection codes. However, only codes 1 through 13 will be used. We will go over these codes and what they mean in just a little bit. Reject dollar amount is the amount of additional money that the shop indicates they would need to fill the order. So if you have an order for $50 and the shop said that they would need $60 to fill the order, what would you put in the reject dollar field? If you said $10, you would be right. It is the amount of extra money that the shop needs, not the total amount they need. The update button has 4 functions. It completes the action of placement over the phone, rejection of an order. It will also place an order on hold and allows you to add additional notes to an order. Be sure to pay close attention to the update button because you will use it often. We will talk about this a little later in the Lawson lesson because it is a key issue for completion of any order. The buy button is always used to exit an order. If the button is not used to exit an order, it will be locked and unable to be relayed. It is very important that any time you go on break, lunch, or leave for the day, that you buy out of the order so that another rep will be able to work on it. Abbreviations on the order look like this, and I will explain what each means. You can always refer to your training companion. AR stands for arrangement. FA stands for funeral arrangement. BP is a blooming plant. RA, roses arranged. DS, dried silk arrangement. CD stands for candy. FF stands for fresh fruit, and BN stands for balloon, or GB stands for gourmet basket. You can always refer to these in your training companion. Something else that you will see at the top part of the order are the shop's codifications. This is a list of all keepsake containers that shop has ordered from Teleflora. You will see this in a list of letters that will correspond to a product that Teleflora has. We do not expect you to remember all the codes by heart. No one can do that. They change all the time. But on the top of the shop info is a button called Detail. You can press this button and it will display a complete list of all the codified products that a particular shop has ordered, just like this. You can move from page to page by pressing the page down key on your keyboard. This will help you see all of the pages of codified products. Now, just because a shop is coded for a product does not mean that they have that product. It just means that they ordered that product. They may have already sold out of the product that they ordered and be waiting for more. If the order is a codified product, at the bottom of your order screen, you will see a note letting you know what keepsake this order will need, and at the top of the page, you will see the keepsake that the shop is coded for. Now that we have learned how to get shop information and input it into Lawson, let's do something fun and play a quick game that will test your knowledge. After you're done, we will move on to order information, and I can already tell that you are super excited.